Okay, selamat kembali ke WPS Presentation. Sekarang saya akan mengajar dalam video tutorial ini bagaimana kita boleh bahagikan slide ini ke berapa section, di mana kamu boleh bagi tahu kalau ada area yang mana kamu tidak ingin keluarkan atau you pun adjust, tukar posisi saja. WPS Presentation ini boleh digunakan macam mana kita akan arrange slide kami semua itu. So terlebih dahulu kami akan harus pergi ke view. Okay. Lepas pergi ke view, kamu pergi ke slide sorter. Slide sorter ini kamu akan melihat semua your slide ada di sini. Right, now all together dia ada 18. So for here you nampak ada default section. Okay, sekarang we want to break into some subsection. So we're gonna see here kind and caring. So we're gonna break here. To masukkan here, we have to put a line in between lah. So let's say you want satu section here, you can just right click and then add section. Okay, now once you add section, notice that there ada untitled sections ini. You can actually rename dia to, this one is kind and caring. Okay, from here, this is another topic. I just click here, right click, add section. This one is apa ni? Sense of urgency. Okay. Sense of urgency and ownership. Okay, so I'm going to unzoom. I'm going to break all this section first. Here again, add another section. Okay, and then I'm renaming here team spirit. Okay, and last but not least, here, mana lagi? Probably here. A section here, we'll say this one is ending. And then here we're going to put here as our introduction. So what does this section talks about is sebenarnya you can actually just right click kan dia. Okay, and then you pilih collapse all. Okay, you can actually just, let's say I want to talk about sense and urgency dulu, so I can actually click and then drag ke atas. So after introduction, I can talk about sense of urgency followed by kind and caring and then team spirit. Okay, so all my slides nanti di sini saya akan cakap pasal ini dulu terlebih dahulu. Lepas itu, then I'll go to kind and caring. If let's say saya mau team spirit dulu, okay, also same thing. So just click and drag saja lah. Right, and then pastikan notice that sekarang this from slide 1 to slide 6 is the introduction. Okay, and then team spirit sini, then followed by our sense of urgency and then kind and caring lah. So this is how basically kamu boleh arrange your slides later. If let's say certain things you're not happy with, or you want to say want to tukar dia nanti lah. So you can also put a section here just to remind yourself. Okay, maybe you can say in the section put here undone, so you can know that maybe belum siap lagi, maybe you can add another 2 or 3 slides. I can do something like this lah, just for your own reference. Once this is done, you just can again just rename this section. Okay, kind and caring, and then you have to put the atas again. So normally what we do is we always have this practice, right click, collapse all, whereby dia akan minimize everything, and then you just click on kind and caring, click and drag, and then notice that sudah tukar, and then you let go. That is how you move your slide lah. Alright, so again one more time, I can also, if let's say you want to hide this section, also can just right click saja and then hide slide. Dia tidak akan tunjuk slide ini nanti lah. So notice that ini tidak akan keluar nanti. So after your introduction, dia akan terus lompat ke this sense of urgency. So let me try to do a sample first. So after this is going to jump the kind and caring, then terus masuk ke sense of urgency. So display, okay, and then we go to sense of urgency. So that's all on how you can do break your presentation into section. I'll see you all in the next video.